Hey, Eklife here. I just wanted to make a quick video clip on using the trimmer tool to create subclips and then also renaming them. You want to make sure that you've got the project media selected on the left hand side with your clip in it, and on the right hand side you want to select the trimmer. Your clip won't automatically show up in the trimmer, so you just want to drag your clip over to that. Once it's loaded in, use the yellow icons to select the section that you want to create a subclip for. Then with the drop down menu, click Create Subclip. We can now rename the clip to whatever we want, so we'll just go File and click OK. So when you drag the main clip into your timeline and also the subclip we just created, basically it doesn't affect your main clip, it just creates that subclip from the main clip. There is another way of doing it. It's a bit more messy, and it's still useful when you're trying to go through your clip and do it manually. So clicking on your timeline for the main clip, select the section you want, click S to cut it, and then we'll cut it again. Now that little cutout section that we've got there, we right click and click Create Subclip. In the project media, you can see that the subclip has now created, but it hasn't given us the option to rename. You can either double click on that clip or right click, click rename. And we'll just click help for that one. That also changes the heading in the timeline. Both are useful. I probably find the trimmer one is more neat, but the other one has its uses too. If this has helped you in any way, please hit that like button. If you want to see more content in this format, let me know in the comments section below. This is Eklife. You have a great day.